Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Match number 3, the second position to run into finals. They are here, Yuvan Property Developers versus MHB Vihangans. They've gone through the roller coaster ride, and this is the time where they'll get the fruit of their hard work. And they've been fighting hard. Few battles, 5 battles for each team, and they have toppled everyone, and this is their place, this is the time. I have with me the vice captain of MHB Vihangans, Sirish, and representing Yuvan Properties here, I have Sudhir, and the match official today is Ramu. Well, Sudhir's got the coin and he shall spin. Heads. Heads is the call given by the vice captain, and heads it is. You call on that.
So we'll be batting first.
So, is it a no-brainer because, tough conditions, tough matches where teams choose to bat first?
Yeah, obviously we rely on our batting. And we've been doing good for the past 2 or 3 matches. Hopefully we'll continue the run.
Definitely, as it is a knockout game, but do you have any pressure on your head because finals for Gold Cup?
So it's just every one match at a time. So basically if it's a knockout or it's a normal league game, it's just the same. We have to come, we have to perform, and we have to
That is the mantra you say, right? So you're doing well from past 2 or 3 matches, I also believe. So you've got any changes in your squad then?
no, we're playing the same squad. Like the last match.
All the very best for you. Without taking much of your time, I'll allow you to go and discuss with the captain the strategy. Thank you. Let's go straight to the man who's unfortunately lost the toss. I'm sorry. Important toss for you today. Indeed, in a game like this where toss plays important role.
Then we have to take the toss out of the equation. It's our fate and destiny that we have to feel first. Our basics, right?
But Yuvan Property is known for the reputation of fielding, batting, of complete all-round side. They've been a little off the color in the previous game. So, you've got any changes to your squad again?
We are going with the same 11 and we are confident that
Definitely, and thank you for your time, and thanks for the toss. And this is the news from the centre where MHB Vihangans have won the toss and elected to bat first. Live action coming soon, stay tuned. And gets very lucky to get his inside edge, and the ball will run away to boundary. And is muzzled down the ground. Catches the call and has been taken again in his. And finally he gets him. He gets his It's taken on straight. Where will it go? It'll go to the boundary, Bala. And he swept it cleanly. Clean sweep. Was a little wide. Sits down on one knee. And yes, this time, no mistakes. Slapped hard. Overcovers. Stand wherever you are. Man backed hard. Will it be in the gap? Chasing hard. Oh, brilliant effort, but it's gone in vain. Yep. And will be first runs for Yuvan Property. It's pulled across. Catches the call. But will go to the boundary. Catch it from. Catch was the call, but driven hard. We know the level of explosive. And it'll run away to boundary. And catch is taking the catch straight in his hands. I expect the gap finally, Gopi. He's headed over the fielders with the grunt what bowlers bowl. And again, sit and deliver. Do not move. Majestic 6. Straight. Stand and deliver. Don't move. Humongous head. And watch where. Will be one bounce and 4. catch. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the post-match presentation ceremony of match number 3 of the knockout phase, where the competition was held to seal the position of Gold Cup, where one place was already sealed by UHCC and the other place a tight match, but only one man who's the show stealer took it away. We'll let you know and reveal his name, and that is Yuvan Properties have won the match played between MHB Vihangans versus Yuvan Property Developers. A quick recap where MHB Vihangans won the toss and elected to bat first, scoring 127 down with 8 wickets, and they've managed Yuvan Property Developers to seal in 11 to 10 overs oddly, and the man who took everyone with wild win, his name is Gopi, and yes, remember, he is the leading run scorer with 245. Unfortunate for few reasons that could not commentate, but yes, surely his innings is truly commendable and appreciable. Before we start, let's thank our sponsors, proud sponsors, Hell Rockers, MSR Tipper Services, Foursquare Sports Shop, R11 and RR Stones. Let's go straight to the vice captain who's lost the match today. Sirish, firstly, thank you for joining. Hard luck, and you've had a roller coaster going on with on and off.
Yeah, so we started quite low, but then we managed to come back. But then again, it is not our day.
Definitely. But you haven't started well, but somewhere or the other, not platinum, at least Gold Cup. How do you feel about that?
So the comeback to come to World Cup for semis was a big achievement, and we were hoping we'll go ahead, but we just couldn't perform today.
Toss went your way, but somewhere or the other, not to add salt to your wound, but
No.
do you think how many runs would you have you felt short of?
So we were short of good 25 to 30 runs. We were expecting somewhere between 150 160. But then credits to them, they bowled very good. The first 6 overs were really good bowling. So yeah, they were the better team today.
And I hope you guys come back stronger in the games what you play, and you guys are a great bunch of unit, and the coordination what you have, the energy levels is absolutely commendable. And before we depart, how did you actually feel about the tournament? Things going well for you or not? How do you feel about that?
So the tournament was very good. So the organizing we really liked a lot. And the thing is, the teams are very competitive as compared to other tournaments. We get quite a few strong teams here. So that's always a boost to come and play again, because facing stronger teams anytime better than facing weak teams.
Definitely. And your perspective is much appreciated. And thank you if you can stay here for the man of the match to be distributed. Let's call the captain who's won today. I'd like to call upon Sudhir, who's smiling, who's always smiling and happy to be in any position, let it be bat or ball. Anything having the final in your head?
I think we were confident about our abilities. Our batsmen have executed their plans and the Gopi has come out on top. We are happy that we are in finals.
And somewhere or the other, Gopi is the savior of your team. Somewhere or the other, if you dwell in a vortex, any player comes up, but especially coming up to Gopi, he's like some person who fits in any area. He's your filler.
Yeah, exactly. See, he is a match winner on a given, on any day. If you say he is playing on a spinning track or fast track, he's our savior. But our batsmen, other batsmen stuck to their task. They have given us a launch pad to get on with this number.
And, yeah. So without keeping him waiting, let me show you his face. He might be shy, but he's not shy with once he gets bat in his hands. I'd like to call upon Gopi for the masterclass knock he's played of 75 runs just in 27 deliveries. You've heard it right. In just 27 deliveries, he's gone bonkers. We've gone crazy with the batting standard he's displayed. You've taken batting to next level just in 27 balls, and you've whacked all over the park. What was your plan exactly?
I think I was a little bit disappointed with my fielding department. I dropped a crucial catch at a point where the runs were flowing on. I thought that was my mistake, so I thought, keeping that in mind, I have to cover the runs which I've given to the batsman, what is there. That I think I've adapted to it and I've given that thing in back.
I mean, you float the whole batting order. You float around. Sometimes I've seen you opening in middle order, lower middle order. I mean, what is the type of position? What exactly is your role, and what role you are comfortable to?
It's not a comfortable thing. So whatever the team requires me, whenever they require me to bat at any position, I can.
And
I have that confidence on me.
And if the ball had any feelings, you'd have the human rights violation. You are hitting so hard to the ball eventually would have cried.
It's a part of game, I can't do anything.
Definitely. And for the man of the match, I'd like to have the man of the match trophy.